Welcome to Nirvikar Ayurved Hospital, a village of well-being. Let's explore some of the incredible instruments that aid in the practice of this holistic healing system. Shirodhara Yantra Eviasis. An automatic Shirodhara Yantra is a therapeutic device that administers the ancient Ayurvedic practice of Shirodhara, involving a continuous flow of warm oil onto the forehead. Swadan Peti. The stainless steel used in the Panchkarma table ensures exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion. Its sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting stability, supporting various therapeutic treatments. In short, it's maintenance-less. Vidha Agni Yantra. The most powerful tool that every Ayurveda practitioner should have is Vidha Agni machine. That is used for instant pain relief. Padyabhang Yantra. High-quality Padyabhang Yantra often come with customizable settings, allowing users to adjust the time of the massage to their preferences and therapeutic needs. Agnikarma Shalakha. Experience the transformative power of Agnikarma Shalakha, a traditional tool used in cauterization therapy. Shirodhara Patra. The brass material ensures durability, resistance to corrosion, and an aesthetic quality. Sthanik Basti Kit or local Basti Kit. Dive deeper into Ayurvedic therapies with our range of Sthanik Basti treatments. They are made up of acrylic material which is non-breakable. From the Hriday Basti for well-being of heart to the Janu Basti for knee-related problems and the Kati Basti and Manya Basti for spine-related problems like spondylitis. Massage apron. Made from synthetic leather exhibits high durability. IUI cannula. IUI cannula is used for the female Uttar Basti. Face massager. Made from wood and cassia metal, it offers a natural and soothing feel. Nadi Swadan Yantra. Experience targeted healing with our specialized instruments, including the Nadi Swadan Yantra for Swadan therapy. Leech. Leech therapy, known as Zaluka, is utilized for blood purification and improving circulation.